بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome back to the second lesson of the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween. And today the ruling is Iqlab. So let's get started. As we said in the previous class, that the rules of Noon Sakinah and Tanween are four rules: Idhar halqi, Iqlab, Idgham, and Ikhfa. We talked about Idhar with its 6 throat letters, the Idhar halqi, and today's lesson it will be about Iqlab. So, first of all, what is the meaning of Iqlab? Iqlab means to turn something over. And we call it Iqlab because we're gonna turn the Noon Sakin or the Tanween into little Meem. And this is what we're going to explain now. We need to know that Iqlab happens with just one letter, the letter Ba. So if Noon Sakin or Tanween is followed by the letter Ba, we will turn this Noon Sakin or the Tanween into Meem, and we're mixing this Meem into the Ba since both of them they have close extraction points. They're close in makharaj, as I mean. So we're gonna mix them together with Ghunnah for 2 beats. Again, the rule simply says if the Noon Sakin or Tanween is followed by the letter Ba, it is converted, the Noon Sakin or the Tanween, into a hidden Meem with separating between lips. We're coming to that in a second. And the reader should make a Ghunnah for how long? 2 beats. Remember, any Ghunnah we're doing in our rulings in our lessons, they're gonna be 2 beats. Examples. The example of the Noon Sakin, as we can see here. The Noon Sakin is followed by Ba. So this Noon Sakin, we will turn it into Meem, and we're mixing this Meem into the Ba with Ghunnah for 2 beats. Let's see how we read it. Mim ba'di. Mim ba'di. And the next one we have Noon Sakin, it's followed by Ba. So it will be فَأَنبَتْنَا. Let's see it again. فَأَنبَتْنَا. So as we can see here written in this rule that you have to do a hidden Meem with separating between lips. But this is just one opinion. We have 2 scholarly opinions regarding this matter. Some scholars said that you have to completely close your Meem. Like this example here, as we said, it will be Meem. I'm totally closing my lips into the makhraj of the Meem while pronouncing the letter Meem. Mim ba'di. And some scholars, as it's written in this book here, says that you have to do a hidden Meem with a small gap between your lips. So it will be min ba'di fa'anbatna. Just leaving a small tiny gap between your lips and don't completely close them. Both opinions are right, inshallah, but me myself, I follow the second opinion, which is completely closing your lips, and this is how I learned it from my sheikh. So let's get back to our examples again. And now we're having the examples of Tanween. As we can see here, Tanween in this word, followed by Ba in the following word. So it will be pronounced like this. لَنَسْفَعًا بِالنَّاصِيَةِ. Again, I'm completely closing my lips. It will be لَنَسْفَعًا بِالنَّاصِيَةِ. So if you noticed here, I did 2 Ghunnahs. The Ghunnah of the Iqlab, Tanween followed by Ba, and the Ghunnah of the Noon Mushaddad. لَنَسْفَعًا بِالنَّاصِيَةِ. 2 Ghunnahs, each Ghunnah is 2 beats. Let's go to the next example. يَوْمَئِذٍ بِجَهَنَّمَ. يَوْمَئِذٍ بِجَهَنَّمَ. Also, we have 2 Ghunnahs here. The Ghunnah of the Iqlab, Tanween followed by Ba in the next word, and the Ghunnah of the Noon Mushaddad. And let's try reading a verse from a short surah that has Iqlab in it in order to apply the ruling of Iqlab. And as we can see here in the surah, Surah Al-Humazah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. كلا لَيُنْبَذَنَّ فِي الْحُطَمَةِ. So in this word, لَيُنْبَذَنَّ, Noon Sakin, and this Noon Sakin is followed by Ba. So as we said in the rule of Iqlab, we will turn over this Noon Sakin into Meem and mix it into the Ba with Ghunnah for 2 beats. لَيُنْبَذَنَّ. لَيُنْبَذَنَّ. So that's it for the rule of Iqlab. As we can see, it's very easy, very simple. Just one letter for Iqlab, which is the letter Ba. Also remember the two opinions how to do Iqlab, with completely closing the lips or leaving a gap between the two lips. Hope that you understood everything in today's class. If you have any questions, please write them down below. See you next time, inshallah, and assalamu alaikum.